Local Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2011 Ford Ranger, stock number 6895. Strength from the 12th 2006 to March 2011. Has a WEAT 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is the WEAT 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch aftermarket wheel guitar, 15 door mirror, front bonnet no dents, left front door no dents, left rear door 1 dent, left rear 17-inch aftermarket wheel guitar, right rear 17-inch aftermarket wheel guitar, right rear door no dents, right front door has wobbles, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch aftermarket wheel guitar, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifters, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,